So in this video, I'm going to show you some information about a quick trip to Walmart for a tire repair that should have gone easily after the appointment we made. However, it went south quickly. Just take note of the text at the beginning showing how the car was only in service for 1 minute at Walmart and some of the discrepancies on the invoice. Just to note that if you need a tire repair, they're not usually my go-to, but since I had an eye appointment, I thought it would go smoothly. So this is the text message that we received from Glenn at Walmart. It says, the vehicle service has started. If you look down, 2:23, the vehicle service had finished. Something I did forget to mention, while we were at the Walmart service center, another employee offered to fix the tire. That's the reason we left to go to the eye appointment in the first place, since Glenn refused to give us the 2 o'clock appointment. However, when they texted and said the vehicle was done, apparently the other employee wasn't permitted to work on it because Glenn refused the service due to his explanation of dry rot, which proved to be false once the car was taken to Flynn. This is a copy of the invoice that they gave me for the repair they didn't do on a tire with a nail in it. You can see it's for the 06 Ford. And they said they checked all the tire pressure at 35 pounds, every tire, and the lug torque down here at the bottom, it passed the rear, which is the one that had the nail in it. Apparently it said the lug torque was fine, which is very hilarious because we have locking lug nuts on it and they did not have access to the key. So this is a copy of the invoice. They didn't do anything to it, so they didn't charge us anything for it. And here's a copy of the same vehicle at a different service center in Hermitage, Flynn's Tire. Thank you, Flynn, for getting us back on the road. They did a flat repair on the tire. Cost $18, $19. 23rd, 7 in the morning, 7:48, we took it up. This one was for 8:21, 2:28 p.m. when they checked the receipt out. Now if you remember back to the text, 2:21 the car was checked in, 2:22 it was done, 2:28 the receipt was printed. Fastest service from just noticed. Look at the technician comments at the bottom of the Walmart. Make sure it focuses here. There we go. At the Walmart receipt, it says, decline flat repair for dry rot. Check engine light is on. Scratches on the body and dry rotted, cannot be repaired. Okay, Glenn, sorry, but it did get repaired 2 days later on Monday. So either Walmart needs to look for new technicians and stop lying to the customers, or Glenn needs retrained on what dry rot is. The other thing I found funny, I would have loved to mention to Glenn, was I've had dry rotted tires in the past and they never hold tire pressure consistently. So for all 4 tires to say 35 pounds, Glenn, I don't think that could happen, because if they were so dry rotted, they would be very, very low. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't shop Walmart Auto Care Center.